Tell me why I picked right now to film when they're plowing outside from the blizzard. If you can hear any of that, my deepest apologies. I'm back in 2018. I haven't been here yet since 2018, so it feels good to be back. Yeah, it feels weird. How do I talk? So yeah, it's a new year. Happy New Year. I hope you guys had a great holiday, a great new year, and we're safe and happy. So yesterday we had a blizzard. I think they called it like the bomb cyclone. That's what I've been seeing everywhere. Maybe I'm confused. But we got like a foot of snow. Alan and I were in all day. It was just pouring and pouring snow all day. It was honestly pretty cozy, but shoveling was the struggle. So anyway, I'm back. It feels good to be back. If I feel ready. I have a new little background set up here. I'm kind of trying to maneuver my best seating position to like show off the cute new background in my office. I don't know. I just wanted to come back and kind of feel refreshed. As you guys can see, I haven't been on here for like a week, which I don't think I've ever done, ever. I don't know. It felt really weird, but it also felt kind of nice because I think your girl just needed a little time to reflect on 2017 and like prepare myself for 2018 and just take a little break after Vlogmas and get my mental health together here. Anyway, I just wanted to kind of talk about 2017, reflect a little bit, tell you guys about 2018, what's in store, and I don't know, just have a chat because I haven't been here in a little while, so I feel the need to chat with you guys. I also figured out the magnetic eyelashes from Vlogmas. I talked about it on Snapchat. If you're not following me there, you definitely should be because I figured out the magnetic eyelashes. So I'll put that in a vlog soon so we can chat about that because y'all know that was a struggle. So anyway, 2018's here and it feels good. I think I put a lot of my life out there for you guys. 2017 kind of kicked my ass for a while. It was a year of self-discovery for me. Well, the reason I'm prompted to post this video to talk anyway, I have been watching a lot of people reflect on their 2017. I feel like I've said 2017 so many times. I feel like everyone has been, you know, saying it was the best year of their life and so much good happened, and I could honestly say that like the second half of the last quarter was definitely great, but 2017 for me, you guys watched it if you've been there throughout the year. Definitely comment and let me know if you've been there throughout the year because it's been a wild ride. I moved to Boston by myself. Alan and I basically took a break for a few months, not knowing we would come back together. We came back stronger and happier than ever, like the healthiest, happiest place ever. Like we're so much better than we were before. Our communication is great. We're healthy and happy. Like, I don't know. I know I've said that a bunch of times, but our relationship is in a really solid place and I'm so thankful that what happened happened. Sometimes life just takes turns and things happen and they lead you to, you know, trust where your path's going. Like if you're in a bad place now, I promise it will get better because like this year had so many dark moments and led to such a happy ending. I hated living in Boston. I had to move out of the city. I was like, oh, I want to go back to college, even though I knew in my heart that I didn't want to. And I make bad decisions when I'm in a mental state of distress, and I felt pressured by society. And I really, this year, I had to take so many random steps to like discover myself and what I want. And although the steps were super, super hard and tiring and stressful, and like I had to constantly make moves to fix things that didn't feel right or change things that didn't feel right, it helped me learn so much about myself. Like, whoa, if you can take anything from my crazy year, I hope it's that you're allowed to make mistakes and they'll help you grow and they'll help you figure out what you want in life and who you want to be. Holy crap, like I went through a lot of family stuff last year, a lot of drama, which I'm not really used to, and like I lost friends, but like I also have a lot of negativity now cut out of my life, and like I've never been someone who like cuts people out of their life. Like I've always, this is just me bearing my soul here, I don't know, I always have been someone who like is afraid to like let people go because I'm like afraid to say no, and I used to be a pushover and it was hard for me to stand up for myself and, you know, make hard decisions that would better my life, and I think 2017 really pushed me to do that. I don't know, I just feel, I feel better now. I feel more light and more free. I have figured out what makes me happy. I don't know. And let me just side note say I'm really thankful that you guys were there for me throughout all of it. It's been a crazy ride. And I mean, I've put it all out there. I don't know how many videos I've put out crying over the last year just because I feel connected to you guys and you're like my family, and I like to like share things with you and just let you guys know what's going on, because if you're ever going through a similar situation, I want you to feel like I understand, because I've been there, and I hope you can relate to anything that we both have gone through. So yeah, 2017, it's over. Another piece of 2017 that I really am working on now, I'm also going to get to like my 2018 goals, because I'm not doing resolutions this year. I'm throwing that garbage out the window because it doesn't work and it's just a waste. Like, it's like, I don't know, it's just like making yourself feel like you weren't good enough. I don't know, I just don't like the whole vibe around it anymore. So I'll kind of change that. But a big part of 2017 that was really negative, oh, my phone is ringing. Okay, so anyway, a really negative part of 2017 for me was my anxiety. I haven't really talked about that like a lot on my channel. I've kind of dabbled in it, but oh wow, I don't know what happened. Maybe it was just all the series of crazy events, but 2017, I like lost my mind for a while. I don't know what happened. I don't know why I feel like I could cry, because I just remember I got so anxious multiple times that like I felt like I was gonna pass out. Like I just my body was just overwhelmed. I think it was just from all the stress and the change throughout the year, but like the anxiety is kind of transferred over to like now now that I'm kind of settled in and not really going through as many stressful situations. So one of my goals leading into that segue for 2018 is to go back to therapy. I haven't been in therapy since I was a child, like parents divorce and all that, but I want to go back to therapy. I want to really work on my mental health this year. I think that's really, really important. Like all those resolutions of, you know, go back to the gym and eat healthy, yeah, they're important, but like I think how often do we hear people saying that they want to make a resolution or a goal for their mental health instead, because it's so crucial. And like if you had any anxiety or you felt depressed, I can relate. I can't tell you how much I cried last year, and I mean the end was great. It came together. I'm very happy now, but last year was it was just hard. There was a lot of change and a lot of struggle, and I don't know. I've been working on my anxiety. I have a lot of coping mechanisms, but I want to go back to therapy, and I want to learn new tools, and I want to dig through some issues that I think kind of come up when I least expect them. Sometimes things we suppress just kind of come out, and I've noticed that happening with me more, so it's stuff that I feel like I need to talk about and get off my chest and just kind of work through. So maybe if you're going through something that will inspire you to like think about trying therapy, give it a shot. Most insurances will cover it, or a small copay, so I'm looking into that right now actually, so I'll keep you guys posted on that. I'm actually really excited about it. So I have a list on my phone, things I've been kind of thinking about and working on. I've actually been kind of working on them for the last week, and they're things I really want to improve on throughout this year. Not resolutions, just goals for myself, things for my self-improvement, I don't know. So I really want to push myself outside of my comfort zone more. And this was something I posted on Snapchat the other day. I've been talking about this, sorry, the plows are really loud. Something I've been talking about for kind of a while. I've always wanted to like attempt to go, it sounds silly maybe to some people, and eat lunch alone at a restaurant. And I did that for the first time a few days ago. I don't know why it's like a weird anxious thing for me. Like, I don't know, I just felt uncomfortable going out and eating alone in a restaurant, so I did, and it felt awesome, and like I don't know what it was, it felt really good, and it was a nice feeling of accomplishment and like independence. So if you ever wanted to try that, give it a try. That was a goal of mine, just to push myself out of my comfort zone, so that was a big moment for me that I've talked about. I really want to focus more on the positive this year. I have a hard time sometimes letting go of a negative comment or something, especially with this job, you really can't let that get to you or it will destroy you. Another reason to go to therapy, because I don't know, I just, sometimes you can go down like a spiral if you read into things too much. Like you can really let them destroy you. So I really want to focus on the positive this year and just let go of the negative. My mom taught me this tool for gratitude. I have a gratitude journal. That's another goal. I want to be very, very thankful and give a lot of gratitude for what I have, because I have a lot to be thankful for, and that's something you really need to focus on, and something I want to make my 2018 all about. All about the positivity, all about the thankfulness. So my mom taught me, she learned this I think from Tony Robbins, who is fantastic. Hold your hands over your heart and close your eyes and say 3 things you're grateful for, like, and transfer it to your heart. And I know some people might think that sounds corny, but it really does work, and you can just really feel it. And I have a gratitude journal. Every morning I'll write down the things I'm grateful for, whether they're small or big. I had a little rant about this on Instagram Live. Even if you're having the worst day ever, there's always something to be grateful for. Like, I was sick when I was doing the Instagram Live, and I was like, yeah, I'm sick, but and my nose is stuffed, but I'm thankful that I have a nose that can smell anyway when I'm not sick. Or, you know, I'm thankful for my vision. Like, I'm thankful for being able to move. Like, there's always something to be thankful for. And I just want to focus on that more, because I think we can kind of get our priorities out of whack. Like, when something goes wrong, we're like, oh my god, it's the end of the world. Like, no, there's so much to be thankful for all the time. So I'm going to focus on that this year, and there's a lot of, if you want to hear more, I could do a vlog with my mom. She has so many amazing tips for like gratitude and being thankful and focusing on the positive. So if you want more of that, let me know in the comments, and I'll do something with her, because she has taught me so much. I love my mom so much. My mom and I went through so much this last year. We came out so strong. Like, my mom and Alan, thank God for them. They saved my soul. But anyway, I'm off topic here. So, music, 2017, that was another kind of, I don't know. I wasn't extremely happy with the way the music thing went. At the end of the day, I'm really happy with the album, because I put my heart and soul into it. It was very emotional for me to write. I wrote some in a really dark time. I wrote some in a really happy time. It's like a progression. So even though it wasn't as well received as I wanted it to be, I know some of you guys loved it. I love it, and that's all, you know? That's all I can really do about that. But a goal for 2018, I would like to try one more time. I love singing. I may not be the best singer in the world, but I really love it. I've always loved it since I auditioned for American Idol when I was 15, 16. I've always loved singing. So I want to put out a single this year, and really just take my time with it, make it awesome, make an amazing music video. So I don't know when that will happen, but it's on my list. It's a goal for the year, because it's not a dream of mine to be like a famous singer or anything. It's just something I genuinely enjoy doing. And this year I want to do more things for myself, more things that I love doing, things that make my soul happy. Another goal is to write more. You could ask any family member. Since I was a kid, my grandma has notebooks and notebooks and notebooks of mine just filled with random writing, and she's actually showed me them before. Like, just when we would take drives, I would write down things I saw, I would write down stories. I love writing. Writing is one of my favorite things. I used to write poetry, I used to write books. I'd like to write more. I don't know if I'll do anything with it, but it's just like good for me creatively, so I'd like to write more. I really want to get more organized with planning videos, do more quality content, and take the podcast really seriously. I had a graphic designer make new art, which is so cute, and right now she's actually working on a new YouTube intro for me, so get ready. That'll be coming within like the next week or so. I'm so excited. I just really want to revamp my channel this year. I want to give it my all and do new things, and I don't know, I'm just really excited about it. I'm excited about life, and that's great. 2017, goodbye. I'm not going to talk about what happened in the news and the media, because garbage. Kiss it goodbye, goodbye 2017. Hello 2018, we have a new background, we'll have a new intro. I have like a ton of videos planned. I have ordered a lot of different interesting things, so I have a lot of interesting videos coming up, which I'm excited about. I've been planning, like the last week, I've just been like planning and organizing and just trying to like get things great for you guys, because you deserve that. You're here for me, you support me. I want to do awesome things for you. I'm really excited. I am just really excited about this year. I don't know why, I literally feel like I could cry right now, because I feel like I came out of this insane darkness. Like, I'm so thankful that you guys stuck through the hardest year. I am so happy now, thank God, but like, last summer was so hard. Oh God, not with my magnetic eyelashes. I'm just really thankful. I'm just really thankful to be where I am now, mentally especially. And thank you guys for sticking there through it with me. So many of you guys were there for me throughout the year and throughout the hard times, and you understood what I was going through at different points, high and low. And my fearless family is everything. I'm so thankful for you guys. Like, please know that. So, I don't know. Where was I going with that? Where was I gonna finish this? Oh gosh, I don't know. Anyway, I don't know what this video is. I think it's just reflection. Kind of random. But like I said, I have a lot of exciting things planned. If you want, you guys can like tweet me or leave it in the comments. What do you want to see most from me in 2018? What things are you just like really interested in? Do you like fashion the most? Do you like makeup? Do you want to see more vlogs? Like, what do you want? Because I honestly love doing them all. Or do you want to see like brand new different things? Like what? So let me know. More cooking? I don't know. Let me know. But I am excited to have a fresh new background. That was actually a Christmas gift from one of my really good friends. You have as many hours of the day as Beyonce, so let that be our motivation for 2018. We have as many hours of the day as Beyonce. That means we can do anything. So spread some love. Self-care this year. Take care of yourself mentally more than anything, physically as well, spiritually, everything. Just take care of yourself. Put yourself first. Don't be afraid to say no. Take care of you, you know. I think that's something that I neglected for way too long, and now I can honestly say I'm very, very happy. So don't do anything for anyone else, do it for yourself, and let that be our 2018 resolution. But do you, and I love you guys so much with all of my heart. Please know that I'm grateful for you. Yeah, and I'll see you guys very soon with a lot of fun new content. Bye.